Every man watching this right now wants to quit porn. But let me tell you the truth. Very few men are actually willing to become the man who doesn't need it anymore. And that is why you keep failing. You've tried counting streaks. You've tried relying on willpower. You tried saying this is the last time. And maybe you can go a few days, maybe even a few weeks, but you keep going back. Not because you're weak, but because you're trying to change your behavior without changing your identity. You're trying to change what you do without changing who you are. And it will never work because porn is not your real problem. Your standards are. Your identity is. The man looking back at you in the mirror is. And today I'm going to show you something different. Not 10 tips, not 10 hacks, not how to quit porn in 7 days. But I'm going to show you the 10 character traits of men who are actually free. Not those that are just sober, not those that are on a streak, but men that are free. Because when you become this man, porn doesn't even fit into your life anymore. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man Podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, host and founder here, and it's been our mission for the last 6 years to help those men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, reclaim their identity, rebuild their lives, and step into a life of freedom. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to turn those post notifications on. But this man today, I want you to listen. I wasn't always this man. I know exactly what it's like to live in the cycle that you're in. The shame, the secrecy, the broken promises to yourself, saying never again, and then going back and doing it again the next day. Living a double life, looking strong on the outside, but knowing deep down that you are not in control. And over the last several years, I've worked with thousands of men, high performers, business owners, husbands, fathers, leaders, and I've seen the same pattern over and over again. The men who stay stuck and the men who break free. It's not knowledge. It's not information. It's not even motivation. At its core, it's nothing other than identity. The man you are determines the life that you're going to live. So understand this before we go any further. You don't quit porn and become a better man. You become a better man and porn loses its grip on you. These traits I'm about to walk you through, they're not optional. They're not nice to haves. They are required because freedom is not something you try. It's something you embody. So let's dive in. Let's talk about the 10 character traits of men who walk in freedom from porn. Number 1 is they tell the truth. Porn addiction thrives in secrecy. It feeds on darkness. And the addicted man becomes a liar, not just to other people, but more importantly to himself. I'll stop tomorrow. It's not that bad. I've got it under control. No, you don't. Porn-free men tell the truth, even when it's uncomfortable, even when it costs them something, because they understand something that most men don't. Freedom begins where lying ends. You cannot heal what you continue to hide. And some of you watching this right now, you're still living a double life. You got people around you who think you're one man, and behind closed doors, you're somebody else. That split identity is destroying you. That first step towards freedom is honesty, real honesty. So the question here is, what do you need to tell the truth about, and who do you need to tell the truth to? Trait number 2 is they say what they're going to do. When they say it, they get it done. They do what they say they're going to do. Most men don't have a porn problem. They have a self-trust problem. They don't believe themselves anymore because every single day they break their own word. I'm not going to watch tonight. I'm done. This is it. And then you fold again. And every time you break your word, you weaken your identity. You train your brain that your word means nothing. Porn-free men are dangerous for one reason. They keep the promises they make to themselves, even the small ones. When they wake up, they say they will. They train when they say they will. They follow through when they say they will. Because self-respect is built through kept promises. If you don't trust yourself, you will always fall back into what's easy. Start small, but start keeping your word. Trait number 3 here is free men pursue a mission. Idle men relapse. Men without direction will always default back to distraction. Porn is not just about lust. It is about escape from boredom, escape from stress, escape from a life you're not proud of. If you don't have something meaningful to pursue, you will always go back to what feels good in the moment. Porn-free men are on a mission. They're building something, chasing something, becoming something more. And because of that, they don't have time to sit around and destroy their lives. A man without purpose will always fall back to pleasure. So let me ask you this. What are you building right now. Trait number 4 here is free men. They prioritize their bodies. You cannot live life like garbage physically and expect to be disciplined mentally. Low energy, no structure, no movement, no training. That's the perfect environment for an addiction. Porn-free men train, they move their bodies, they build strength, they push themselves physically. Why? Because discipline in the body carries over into every other area of your life. Weak mind leads to weak body, leads to weak standards. And most men don't want to hear that, but it's true. Your lifestyle is either supporting your freedom or it's feeding your addiction. So take a hard look at yourself in the mirror. Are you living like somebody who's in control or somebody who's comfortable? Trait number 5 here is free men. They deny themselves. They know how to say no. This is a big one. Porn addiction is a symptom of something deeper. You cannot say no to yourself. Every urge, every craving, every impulse, you obey it immediately. Porn-free men are different. They have trained the ability to pause, to feel the urge and not act on it. That's real power. That's control. And you don't build that by staying comfortable. You build it through discomfort, fasting, cold exposure, daily disciplines. Because if you can't say no to food, to comfort, to your phone, you will never say no to porn. Control your body or it will control you. Trait number 6 here is porn-free men see women correctly. Porn rewires how you see women. It turns them into objects, categories, body parts. And then what happens? You lose your ability to lead, love, and connect. Porn-free men see women as human beings, as daughters, as mothers, as future wives. They have respect. They have control over their thoughts because they understand this. You cannot build a meaningful relationship while consuming women like products. It doesn't work. So you have to rewire your lens, and it starts with awareness. How are you viewing women right now? Be honest. Trait number 7 here is porn-free men live in accountability. Isolation is where addiction grows. When you think you can beat this on your own, you know you can't, and you haven't, and you never will. That's exactly why you're still here. Porn-free men are not alone. They have structure. They have brothers. They have people who know what's going on in their life. Not surface level, but real accountability, because willpower will fade, but structure will always hold up. You don't need more motivation. You need an environment that makes it hard to fail. So who knows your struggle right now? And who are you still trying to fight this in silence? Trait number 8 here is they live by a code. Most men live life based on how they feel, and that's why they're inconsistent. Porn-free men live by standards and by codes, non-negotiables, things they do no matter what, no matter when they feel like it, no, not even when it's convenient and when it's not, every day. Because if you don't have a code, you will live by your cravings, and your cravings will destroy you. So what do you stand for? What are your non-negotiables? If you don't know, that's a problem. Number 9 here is porn-free men are spiritually grounded. You're not just physical. You're not just mental. You are a spiritual being. And when that is a part of your life is disconnected, you feel it. The emptiness, the lack of meaning, the constant searching, and porn becomes a substitute, a temporary escape. But it'll never fill the void. Porn-free men are grounded in something higher, God, purpose, and truth, because they understand you'll never out-discipline a life that has no meaning. So if you feel empty, it's not random. You're disconnected, and it's time to reconnect. And trait number 10 here is porn-free men serve others. Addiction at its core is selfish. It's inward. It's about how you feel, what you want, what you need. Porn-free men shift the focus outward. They serve, they lead, they give, because the more you focus on yourself, the more you suffer, and the more you focus on others, the more you grow. So let me ask you this. Who are you helping right now? Or are you stuck in your own head? Now, I want you to pause and think about this list again. None of this is about tactics. It's not about trying harder. This is about becoming a different man. Porn-free is not something you do. It is who you are. And right now, you've got a decision to make. You can keep trying the same approach. You can keep relying on willpower. You can keep living in cycles. Or you can raise your standards, change your identity, and becomes the man who doesn't need this anymore. And if you're serious about that, if you don't just want another streak, but you actually want to become this man, then I want to invite you into something different. Inside the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood, we help you build this identity step by step. Daily structure, real accountability, coaching, and brotherhood. This is not you fighting alone anymore. You can join us right now and get started for free for 7 days. If you visit school.com/reboot your life or click the link down there in the show notes below, you can join the community, start taking action, get surrounded with men who will support you, and start becoming the man you know you're meant to be. School.com/reboot your life. That's SKOOL.com/reboot your life. And brother, we'll look forward to seeing you on the inside.